Today, I'm going to read The Milkmaid and Her Pail, written by Aesop, with pictures by Mila Winter. This fable is part of our series on self-management. Self-management is all about knowing how to stay calm when you feel angry or upset, and using your emotions and thoughts positively to reach your goals. The Milkmaid and Her Pail. A milkmaid had been out to milk the cows and was returning from the field with the shining milk pail balanced nicely on her head. As she walked along, her pretty head was busy with plans for the days to come. "This good, rich milk," she mused, "will give me plenty of cream to churn. The butter I make, I will take it to the market, and with the money I get for it, I will buy a lot of eggs for hatching. How nice it will be when they are all hatched and the yard is full of fine young chicks. Then, when May Day comes, I will sell them, and with the money, I'll buy a lovely new dress to wear to the fair. All the young men will look at me. They will come and try to marry me, but I shall very quickly send them about their business." As she thought about how she would settle that matter, she tossed her head scornfully, and down fell the pail of milk to the ground, and all of the milk flowed out, and with it vanished the butter, and the eggs, and the chicks, and the new dress, and all of the milkmaid's pride. The moral of the story is, do not count your chickens before they are hatched. Focus question. Why did the milkmaid want to sell butter, eggs, and milk? A. The milkmaid wanted to milk cows in the dress. B. The milkmaid wanted to buy a lovely new dress to wear to the fair. C. The milkmaid wanted to churn butter in the dress. Pause the video if you need more time. Focus question answer. If you chose B, you are correct. Critical thinking. What would you do differently than the milkmaid to plan for and buy the things that you want? Pause the video if you need more time. Thank you for coming by.